Today we are going to start our chapter polynomial, class 9. Clear? And before going ahead in the chapter, we have to recall some terms which we have studied in class 8. So for that, first term is constant. Constant are said to be those symbols whose values are fixed everywhere. For example, 5 will be read 5 everywhere. 7 will be read everywhere 7. 9 by 2 will be these are symbols whose value never change, means the symbol whose value is fixed are said to be constant. Then after variable are those terms whose value is not fixed. It means it vary time to time. We generally use English alphabet to represent the variable, and the value of x may be something, sometime 1, sometime 0, sometime infinite. So it means it can't have fixed value, it will be changing time to time. That's why these are said to be variable. Then after algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is the combination of variable and constant with basic operational sign. For example, if I am going to write, I am joining it 5 into x, then y, then divide 7. I have combined this 4 and I have written with here multiply, here plus, here divide. So this is an algebraic expression. Then after terms of algebraic expression. So here first of all once more come on the fact algebraic expression. That algebraic expression is the mathematical expression with the help of variable and constant, and along with the basic operational sign. There are 4 basic operational sign in maths: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So this is you can say a mathematical expression of variable and constant with basic operational sign. Now, then after terms of algebraic expression. Terms of algebraic expression are separated with plus or minus sign, addition or subtraction sign. For example, if I am writing 3x minus 5y plus 7, for example, I have written. So I have written an algebraic expression. It has two variables x and y, and 3 is coefficient of x, minus 5 is coefficient of y, and 7 is constant term. Clear? But terms are separated with sign minus or plus. So how many terms? First term x, then minus 5, then 7. Terms are separated with plus and minus sign. Then polynomial, the name of the chapter comes. Polynomials is an algebraic expression with variable having power non-negative integer. For example, if I am writing this, listen, a0, a1x, a2x square, a3x cube, that is a and x to the power n. It means I have written an algebraic expression, but the power on variable is non-negative integer. Non-negative integer means you have to include from 0. So here power on x is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and up to n. So this is a polynomial. The polynomial is an algebraic expression whose power is non-negative integers. Now come to the coefficient. Just I had told, if someone is going to ask what will be the numerical coefficient of x, so whatever number is written here, that will be, if nothing is written, it means 1 is hidden there, that time 1 will be the coefficient. Clear? So then after we come to the degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial. So the highest power, degree of polynomial means degree of polynomial If you want to tell about degree of polynomial, whatever highest power on the given variable, that is said to be degree of the polynomial. For example, I am writing x power 4, x power 7, then x power x. I have written a polynomial in variable x. So what is the highest power in this? 7. 7 is the highest power. It is said to be the degree of the given polynomial. For example, if I am writing 3x plus 100 plus 3 by 10 x square. So what is the highest power here? Here 1, that is constant. Here 2. The degree will be 2. So now on the basis, if a polynomial is given having 2 degrees, how you will decide the degree of polynomial? For example, a polynomial is given in xy. It is written x cube, y square, x square, y square, x, y, then phi. This is also a polynomial, but it is in 2 variable. And in class 9th and 10th, you have to study in single variable. Polynomial based on single variable. But if someone is going to ask what will be the degree of this polynomial, what you have to do? You have to add the power, then after you have to decide the degree. Here 1 1. So highest power is 5. The degree of this polynomial will be 5. Then after on the basis of degree, we have named various type of polynomial. So now come to the point, various type of polynomial. First one is linear polynomial. In class 8, you have studied about linear equation in one variable. The linear polynomial is being equated with 0, then after the linear equation will be formed. So first of all, try to learn what are linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. If I am writing px is equal to x plus 5 or 3x plus 5. If I am writing px is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. If I am writing px is equal to 3x cube plus 5. If I am writing px is equal to 3x power 4 2x square plus x minus 7. I have written 4 different polynomial. Here highest power is 1. Means the polynomial whose degree is 1 is said to be linear polynomial. Here you observe highest power is 2. Means degree is 2. It is said to be quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Here you observe highest power is 3. It is known as cubic polynomial. Again you observe here highest power is 4. You will write biquadratic. Biquadratic polynomial. Or you can say quartic polynomial. By two names we know biquadratic or quartic polynomial. So on the basis of degree, polynomial has been categorized as linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial and biquadratic or quartic polynomial. Whose degree is 1 is known as linear, whose degree is 2 is known as quadratic, degree is 3 known as cubic, degree is 4 biquadratic. Now on the basis of terms, again polynomial has been categorized into many categories. Clear? On the basis of term, if a polynomial contains only single term, it is known as monomial. Mono means one. Mono means one. Monomial, if it has only one term, 3x, it is monomial. If it has two terms, binomial. Bi means two. Trinomial. Up to here you have to study. It means it has two terms. It means it has three terms. So monomial, the polynomial having only one term is known as monomial. The polynomial having two terms is known as binomial. Polynomial having three terms is known as trinomial. Now come to constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. constant polynomial. For example, if you are knowing 7 value never change, 7 is a constant term, so all constant terms are constant polynomial. All constant terms are constant polynomial. If px is written 7, it means it is a constant polynomial. And degree of constant polynomial is 0. Degree of constant polynomial is 0. Then after 0 polynomial. 0 polynomial. If px is written 0, it means it is 0 polynomial. Means constant term other than 0 are known as constant polynomial. And if 0 is given, it is known as 0 polynomial. And the degree of 0 polynomial is not defined. These are the basic information of this exercise I have given. Thank you.